Welcome to Sherwood Buick GMC. Today we're going to be taking a look at this pre-owned 2018 GMC Sierra 3500 HD Denali. On the front end of the vehicle we have 3M protective film as well as HID headlights with LED daytime running lights. Under the hood sits a 6.6 liter Duramax turbo diesel engine that produces 445 horsepower and 910 foot-pounds of torque. Also equipped is a 4.5 inch BDS lift kit and aftermarket 20-inch XD series wheels. We also have our heated power folding tow mirrors. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have our park assist sensors as well as an easy lift and lower tailgate and trailer hitch receiver. This Denali has a towing capacity up to 13,000 pounds. Moving to the inside of the vehicle, we have our memory driver seat controls, as well as a Bose audio sound system, our 4-wheel drive controls and automatic headlight controls. Also equipped is a power sunroof and heated and cooled power adjustable leather seats. As well, we have all-weather floor mats, forward collision alert, a heated steering wheel, cruise control, and Bluetooth connectivity that allows for hands-free calling. A touchscreen display shows the vehicle's navigation system, SiriusXM radio, and backup camera. Equipped for your comfort are dual-zone climate controls as well as lane keep assist. We also have a wireless charging pad, and on the vehicle's key fob we have remote start and entry buttons. And moving to the back of the vehicle, we have a 60-40 split folding rear bench seat.